Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses pay affiliates to promote their products or services. Affiliates are rewarded with commissions for every sale, lead, or click generated through their unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a win-win situation for both the business and the affiliate. Businesses get exposure and sales through the promotion of their products or services, while affiliates get to earn a substantial income by promoting products they believe in and that align with their audience. So, how do you get started in affiliate marketing? The first step is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific topic or industry that you'll focus on for your affiliate marketing efforts. It's essential to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large enough audience to make it profitable. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs that align with your niche. Many businesses offer affiliate programs, and you can search for them online or through affiliate networks such as ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. When choosing an affiliate program, consider the commission rates, the products or services offered, and the support provided to affiliates. It's also important to read the terms and conditions carefully to ensure you're comfortable with the program's requirements. Once you've chosen your affiliate programs, it's time to start promoting your affiliate links. There are various ways to do this, including creating blog posts, social media posts, videos, and email marketing campaigns. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to create valuable content that resonates with your audience. You want to build trust with your audience by providing them with useful information and recommendations. It's also important to disclose your affiliate links and be transparent about your relationship with the businesses you're promoting. As you build your audience and promote your affiliate links, you'll start earning commissions for every sale, lead, or click generated through your links. The amount you earn will depend on your commission rates, the number of sales generated, and the price of the products or services you're promoting. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a lucrative and flexible way to earn income online. By choosing a niche, finding the right affiliate programs, and creating valuable content, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. And remember, always be transparent with your audience and choose products or services that align with your values and beliefs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow and like for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing. And if you're serious about taking your affiliate marketing to the next level, be sure to check out our free 90-minute training session. Just click on the affiliate link below to reserve your spot.